the Lord in the land of the living. I believe even when I say I am greatly afflicted, precious in the eyes of the Lord is the death of his faithful ones. I will walk before the Lord in the land of the living. O Lord, I'm your servant. I am your servant, the son of your handmaid. You have loosed my hands. To your will I offer sacrifice of thanksgiving, and I will call upon the name of the Lord. I will walk before the Lord in the land of the living. My vows to the Lord I will pay in the presence of all his people, in the courts of the house of the Lord, in the midst of Jerusalem. I will walk before the Lord in the land of the living.